Hi, let's walk through the OddsFlow AI tutorial.
Stop trying to predict who will win the match. Most bettors lose because they focus on the scoreline. Professional bettors focus on one thing only: value. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to spot when a bookmaker has priced a match incorrectly using the OddsFlow AI model method. Value doesn't mean picking the underdog. It means identifying a math error. A betting market is mispriced when a bookmaker offers odds that imply a certain probability, let's say 40%, but real-world data shows the true probability is actually 45%. That 5% difference, that is your edge. Look at this example. The bookie is offering odds of 2.4. This implies the event has a 41.7% chance of happening. However, our data-driven fair odds are 2.15 or a 46.5% probability. Because the fair probability is higher than the bookmakers, we have found statistical value. OddsFlow detects these gaps by analyzing thousands of data points, historical performance, team metrics, and market movement. When the model detects a significant mispricing, it publishes a value signal. We don't give tips based on gut feelings. We provide transparent, verifiable data. To succeed, you don't need to beat football. You just need to identify small edges repeatedly and stay disciplined. That is the OddsFlow AI way. Click the link below to see our latest value signals and start betting with an edge. Most people think betting is about guessing the score. It's not. It's about price. Think of it like a stock. If a stock is worth $100 but selling for $80, you buy it. In football, if the fair price of a team is 2.15, but the bookmaker is giving you 2.4, that is a mispricing. You are getting a discount. At OddsFlow AI, we don't look at who has the best striker. We look at historical data, market movement, and efficiency patterns to find these value signals. When the fair probability is higher than the bookie's implied probability, that's where we strike.